This is the trigger point video for the deltoid muscle, which is your main shoulder muscle. It's divided into 3 sections: anterior, posterior, and medial. So this exercise is going to work on releasing trigger points in all 3 of those areas. So to start, you're going to take your tennis ball. I'm going to work with anterior first. Place it here on your front of your shoulder, and you're going to lean against the wall here. And move that ball around till you find that trigger point. Once you're there, you're going to hold it for 20 to 30 seconds. And then you can also move your arm throughout a range of motion here. You can hold the ball in place while you're doing this movement so it doesn't move out of place. For the medial delt, you're going to be on your side, placing the ball here on your shoulder, leaning into the wall here. And again, move it around, try to find that different spot if you have a trigger point here. And once you do find that, you're going to lean into it and hold for 20 to 30 seconds. Again, you can move that arm throughout a range of motion here to activate that muscle a little bit. Take your hand here and pushing it against the wall to fire up that muscle some. For rear delt, back of the shoulder, same thing here, lean against the wall, move around till you find that trigger point there, and then hold for 20 to 30 seconds. You might be able to move your arm out to the side to isolate that muscle a little bit further, and once you're there, you're going to hold. You can also do subtle movements here, bringing your hand forward to activate that muscle as you hold the tension with the ball.